200 g butter. Prepare necessary ingredients. I use a strainer to grind the curd. I'm adding melted butter and mixing well. Adding 1 egg and again mixing well. Grate around 100 g of cheese. And add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sieved 200 g flour. And I'm adding flour in parts, one by one. Kneading the dough. As you can see, the dough is very soft and tender. Roll out the dough. Cut in pieces. Make a croissant shape. Sprinkle with za'atar. And bake in preheated oven for 30 minutes. Smells so nice. Zaatar smell and cheesy smell. Guys, I can't wait to try it. I will show you how much it's soft. Let's try. Guys, this is amazing. So soft. This tender cheesy flavor. Golden crispy skin from outside and inside, so fluffy and tender. Amazing with cup of tea. Very cheesy, buttery, tender croissants. Guys, this is nice.